Today we are looking at the three topics which are in method of least square. We are going to look at fitting a straight line and fitting a parabola and fitting a power curve, the formulas for these three. Now we have the equation, which is this. The equation of the straight line is y is equals to a plus bx, and which we are taking it by applying sigma and n for the constant and then sigma x. And next we have the same for x multiple y, x into y. Then we are taking sigma x in here and then sigma x square. These are the formulas for straight line. Now coming on to the parabola, we have the same equation but with an extra c. So y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square, and then we are just adding sigma to the above one and we are taking n because there's nothing in here, and we have same with x into y and x square y. We are taking sigma x in here and this in here. The same goes with how we're taking. These are the formulas for parabola. The formula that we have used in here is, I forgot to mention it. This is the formula that we have used to do this. The other type of question might be where the equation is y is equals to a b to the power x. It was a x to the power b before, but now it is a to the power b, a b to the power x. So what we are going to do now is same as before, log on both sides, where we will have the final equation as log y is equals to log a plus x log b. That's it. Coming on to the power curve, there are two types of equations that might be given in the question. First one is y is equals to ax to the power b. If you get this type of equation in the question, then you have to do is apply log on both sides, and then let's do the first step, apply log on both sides, which will now become so now we have the terms in here where it will now be taken as, because there's no x in here, we'll consider it as a plus capital A and b x. At the first problem that we're solving from the topic straight line. So in this we have the question listed here for the straight line to the following data by method of least square, and we have got two values in here. So how are we going to solve this? We have the straight line. Let's first write down the equation for straight line, which is a y is equals to a plus bx. Let's take a look at our equations, which are y is equals to a plus bx and sigma y is equals to na plus b sigma x, and sigma xy is equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. These are our straight line equations. Now we have this already given in the question. Let's multiply these two to get xy. So 0 ones are 1, sorry, 0 ones are 0, and then we have 1.8, and we have 6.6, 18 point, no, it will be 13.5 and 26. And coming on to the square of x, we have the values listed in here. Now we have all the listed values. So now we are going to do the summation of this, and summation of y, and summation of xy, and summation of x square. So doing the summation of all these things, let's take first summation of x. Adding all the values, summation of x means adding all the values that are present in the given table. So taking the summation of x, we have this will be 10, and the summation of y will be 17.1, and summation of xy will be 47.9, and the summation of x square will be 30. We have all the values listed that we got from the summation of the whole table. So now let's put them in the equations from before, which are y is equals to sigma y is equals to na plus b sigma x. Substituting the values we got here in here, we'll have 17.1 is equals to, and the total number of from the table before we had 5. So 5 into total number of values from before, not adding them, just the number of how many values they were given in the table. So now we have 5 into a, we don't have any a, we don't know the a values, so a plus b, and the sigma x value is 10, so 10, which can be written as 10b. So this is our first equation. Now coming on to our second equation, we have sigma xy is equals to, which can be written as 47.9 is equals to, we have 10a plus 30b. Second equation. Now if you solve both the equations in Calc, enter them straight away, we'll get the values of a is 0.68 and b is 1.37, or anything approximate to these is correct as well. So now we're going to substitute this in y is equals to a plus bx equation, where y is equals to 0.68 plus 1.37x. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe if you want more videos from me. Thank you.